This, these are all my birds in the bird cage. These are all. I'm gonna be showing you all the birds that we could see. First, this one. This is what the sound makes. Let's put him back.
What kind is he?
He's an oriole. The red, pretty oriole. He's pretty hard to get in the house though, because there's so many birds in the house. I can't even fit my other ones that are at my house in here, in this house. Come on, get in the house! Okay, we'll just leave them out for now. Next one is an owl. He doesn't have a noise maker, but this is what he looks like. It's just a collar chat. Don't worry about it. Next is a chickadee. This is my favorite one. This is his noise. And next is my second favorite one, the hummer. Green, red, and white, and black. This is his noise. His name is a hummingbird. At the end, I'll show you a special bird after the rest of the birds. I'm going to show you one special one. This is our last bird before I show you this special one. This is a blue jay. This is what he sounds like. I'm going to go get my special bird I want to show you.
Okay.
And I'm going to go get it. Here is a type of bird called a penguin. This is known as the emperor penguin. So his nickname is the king penguin, the largest of all penguins. All right, see you soon. Bye.